Hey, it's Hannah here from Sheet Leveler. Today, I'm going to show you a super handy trick in Excel: how to start a new line within a single cell. Trust me, this small tweak makes a huge difference when you want to organize your data nicely. Starting a new line inside a cell, the basics. Let's start simple. Imagine you're typing a name in a cell and want to go to a new line right there. Instead of pressing Enter, which takes you to the next cell, use this shortcut: Alt plus Enter. So I'll type a name here, press Alt plus Enter, and then start typing on the new line. Want to add another line? Just press Alt plus Enter again and keep typing. When you finally hit Enter, you'll see all your text neatly stacked on different lines inside the same cell. Pause the video now and give it a try yourself. It's the best way to learn. Taking it further. Combine multiple columns into one cell with multiple lines. Now, let's make it even cooler. What if you have a name and an address in separate columns, and you want to combine them into one cell with multiple lines? This is where the text join function comes in. And I personally love this trick because it's so flexible. Here's the formula I'm using: equals text join, open bracket, char10, comma, true, comma, A2 to C2, close bracket. Breaking it down: char10 dash dash. This is the delimiter, which means it tells Excel to insert a line break between each item. True. This means ignore empty cells. So if you have some missing info, Excel won't add extra blank lines. A 2:C2. This is the range of cells you want to join together, like your name, address, and maybe a phone number. Wrapping text to see multiple lines. At first, your combined text might look like it's all in one long line. But don't worry. Here's the next important step. Select the cell, then go to the Home tab and click Wrap Text. Now look at that. Excel shows each piece of information on its own line inside the same cell. Isn't that neat? Go ahead and copy the formula down for all your rows to combine your data this way. Pause here and give it a shot. And hey, let me know in the comments if you tried this and how it worked for you. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this tip useful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to Sheet Leveler for more friendly Excel tutorials. Excel is such a powerful tool once you get these little tricks under your belt, and I'm super excited to be on this learning journey with you. See you in the next video.